Welcome to the M1 Finance Robo-advisor review, Usage Experience. Links to the platform are included in the description for those ready to explore its unique features. M1 Finance stands out from traditional robo-advisors by combining automated investing with customizable portfolios, making it an excellent choice for self-directed investors who want both guidance and control over their financial decisions. With no management fees and a powerful suite of tools, M1 Finance bridges the gap between simplicity and sophistication. At the core of M1 Finance is its pie-based investing model, where users create portfolios divided into slices, each representing a specific asset or ETF. This innovative approach allows you to mix automated rebalancing with hands-on customization. Whether you prefer to use M1's expertly curated templates or build your own investment strategy, the platform offers a level of flexibility that's rare in the robo-advisor space. One of M1 Finance's key features is automatic rebalancing. When you deposit funds, the platform allocates your contributions based on your portfolio's target percentages, ensuring you stay aligned with your investment goals. Additionally, M1 Finance supports fractional shares, allowing you to fully utilize your funds, even with smaller account balances. M1 Finance is free to use at its basic level, but premium features like STA M1 Plus, which includes lower borrowing rates, cashback perks on their M1 Spend account, and extended trading windows, are available for $125 annually. For those seeking to integrate their banking and investing, M1 Spend and M1 Borrow offer seamless money management, with borrowing rates as low as 7.5% for eligible users. While M1 Finance excels in offering customization and automation, it may not suit investors seeking intensive financial advice or real-time trading. However, for long-term, hands-off investing with a personal touch, it's hard to beat. In conclusion, M1 Finance is an innovative solution for investors who want flexibility without sacrificing automation. Its unique blend of features makes it ideal for experienced investors and beginners looking to take control of their financial future. Check the links in the description to start building your personalized portfolio today.